Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Wise app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Wise app on your Android device and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, scroll down and look for the language and appearance option. Tap on it. Now you will see options related to language and appearance. Tap on language. Here you will find a list of available languages supported by Wise. Simply tap on the language you prefer, and the app will automatically update to that language. You don't need to restart the app or your phone. The changes take effect immediately, and your app will now display all menus and options in the new language you selected. And that's it. Now you know how to change Wise app language on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.